Hey everyone! Today let's talk about something pretty cool, Amazon's Alexa. You might know Alexa from those sleek Echo speakers or even some cool gadgets. But Alexa is more than just a voice. It's a whole system designed to make your life easier. Imagine having a friend who can answer any question, play your favorite tunes, and even dim the lights. All with just your voice. That's Alexa for you. Now you might be wondering, how does Alexa even work? Well, it all starts with a simple wake word, like saying Alexa. That's Alexa's cue to perk up its digital ears and listen to your command. And just like that, with a little digital magic, Alexa responds. It's like having a conversation with your very own tech-savvy friend. Okay folks, get ready to have your minds blown because we're going behind the scenes to see how Alexa really works. Once Alexa is awake, it uses something called automatic speech recognition, or ASR for short, to convert your words into text. Think of it like a super-fast translator turning your spoken language into something Alexa can understand. But hold on, there's more. Once Alexa has your words in text form, it doesn't just take them literally. It uses natural language understanding, or NLU, to figure out what you really mean. Finally, once Alexa has deciphered your request, it gets to work. It either performs the task you've asked, like playing a song or setting an alarm, or it generates a spoken response using text-to-speech technology, or TTS. This is where Alexa goes from digital brainiac to your friendly voice assistant, delivering the information or completing the task with a cheerful, "You got it," or a helpful, "No problem." Now, let's talk about how this amazing technology can actually make your life easier and maybe even a little more fun. We're talking about the everyday applications of Alexa, and trust me folks, this is where Alexa really shines. First up, we've got smart home control. Imagine this. You walk in the door after a long day, your arms are full of groceries, and the last thing you want to do is fumble for the light switch. With Alexa, you don't have to. Just say, "Alexa, turn on the lights," and voila, instant illumination. Alexa can control your thermostat, your appliances, even your security system, all with just your voice. Need to know the latest news? Just ask. Curious about the weather forecast? Alexa has got you covered. It can even help you with your shopping list, set reminders for important appointments, and even tell you a joke or two. Now I know what you're thinking. Can Alexa replace humans altogether? Well, it's a question that's on everyone's minds these days. Here's the thing. Alexa is incredible at automating tasks, providing information in a snap, and making our lives more convenient. It's like having a super efficient assistant who never sleeps. But, and this is a big but, Alexa still lacks that human touch. It doesn't have the emotional intelligence, the empathy, or the ability to truly understand the nuances of human interaction. Sure, Alexa can tell you a joke, but it won't laugh with you. So will Alexa replace humans entirely? I don't think so, at least not anytime soon. But one thing's for sure, AI is here to stay, and it's only going to get smarter and more integrated into our lives.